Hey everybody, this is Tyler and Kaden with Dynojet, and today we're out here in beautiful Belgrade, Montana at Ross Creek Cabins, and we're introducing a brand new Can-Am Defender HD11 with a full suite of utility-focused products. Typically, Dynojet has been serving this more sport UTV market. We wanted to break into a whole new market showing our utility side of things. Kaden, if you wouldn't mind, take it away.
My name's Kaden. I'm an engineer over at Dynojet, and I'm here to introduce you to our full suite of utility products for this HD11. First up, we've got a clutch kit with a variety of weights and different arms for you. We've also got a new inline tuning solution, the Power Commander Delta, and as well as we've got a Power Series belt. Let me get right into why you need all these products.
If you guys are anything like me, the very first thing you're gonna do to this rig is add some wheels and tires to it. Maybe some 35s, 37s, get a little bit more ground clearance. Now when you do that, you're gonna lose a little bit of that low end torque. Kaden, do we have a solution for this?
Yeah, our solution for this is a couple different options of clutch kits. We've got a high elevation option and a low elevation option. Our low elevation is gonna be 2,500 feet and below, high elevation 2,500 feet and above. And what this will do is it'll help you regain that low end power, low end torque when you've got those bigger 37s on there.
Okay, cool. What if I've got some, a trailer, or if I've got some weight in the back?
Yeah, if you're hauling a bunch, you've got a bunch of weight, bunch of logs in the back here, you've got hauling hay in a trailer, our clutch kit will help you with that. It'll kind of adjust where your power is at and give you that low end power that you need.
What does adding that clutch kit actually do to, the vehicle?
So that clutch kit is going to change the point at which your clutches engage and grab that belt and start spinning the wheels. It's going to probably raise your RPMs a little bit. That's why we've got some included weights here to make sure that you can adjust those clutch weights to exactly your specification and exactly the RPM that you want it at.
All right. Now that we threw some bigger wheels and tires on this thing, my speedometer is not reading right. Kaden, what's going on here?
Well, our solution for this is an all-new product from Dynojet called a Power Commander Delta, which is an app-driven inline tuning solution. Through the app, we can adjust our tire size, making our speedometer read correctly.
That's awesome. Is there anything else the app can do?
Yeah, the app can do all sorts of things. We can calibrate our throttle so we can have different levels of throttle sensitivity. We can also set a speed limit for maybe if you have a younger driver. You want to set the speed limit at 15 miles an hour. You can do that. As well as checking and clearing all diagnostic trouble codes.
Right on.
Now you might be wondering, can I use these products together? Well, the answer is yes. You can use the clutch kit to achieve that higher RPM, and you can use the Power Commander Delta to lower your throttle sensitivity so you don't throw out the load.
Last but not least, in our utility product lineup, we have our Power Series belt. Kaden, could you tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, so our Power Series belt is going to be a lot more durable. It's going to be quite a bit more resistant to heat. And the biggest point on it, it's got a lifetime warranty. So if you blow it, you get a brand new one whenever you need one.
Love to hear that. Thanks for following along for our new lineup of utility UTV products. Please visit dynojet.com to learn more or hit the link in the description. Until next time, stay tuned.